What's going on YouTube? Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews. And today on the channel, I'll be doing a review. Actually, today on the channel, I'll be doing an unboxing of the HP Pavilion Notebook 17.3 inch Full HD IPS display. Alright, now you can get this notebook from Walmart and you're going to pay $500 for it. Around there, give or take, depending on wherever you're living at. Alright, Windows 10 Home is your operating system. 17.3 inch Full HD IPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AMD A10 quad-core processor, 1 terabyte hard drive, 8 gigabyte system memory, DVD writer, USB Type-C. It has a bold design, 2 million pixels for crystal clear visuals and smooth multitasking. Alright. Now it has a DDR4 SD RAM, 2133 megahertz, and that's the memory. It has 2 slots, 1 empty slot, and the color that it comes in is mineral silver, which is the cover, and natural silver for the keyboard, frame, and base. There's a security lock slot, and that cable is sold separately. Now it also includes a power adapter, and it has a 3.4 gigahertz max turbo speed, and that's for the processor chipset. It has quad core, 2 megabytes in cache, or whatever cache you want to call it, 64-bit computing, has a multi-touch touchpad and gesture function. It is labeled as a notebook, like I said. It has an LCD backlit technology, which is WLED backlit, widescreen, and full HD anti-glare. The dimensions is 16.3 inches by 10.9 inches by 1 inch. It has an HDMI headphone microphone jack combo, and 2 USB 3.1s. It has a 3-cell lithium ion battery, and it has a HD camera, HP True Vision HD. There's a camera features, stereo speakers, dual array microphone, and Bang & Olufsen audio, and 45 watt output. Alright, so the resolution on here is 1920 by 1080, and your graphics processor is an AMD GPU. Well, let's open up this box. So the charger, like most laptops, is a 2-piece. So you just take that, put that in there. That's how you charge it. Take a look around. Front of it, no ports or anything. Left side, that's your lock right there. Ethernet right there. HDMI port right there, USB port right there. This is your USB Type-C port right there, and this is your headphone, your 3.5 right there. Check out the back. Nothing on the back either. pavilion right there. Probably can't see that. Go closer. There you go. And on the right side, you have charging port right here, DVD drive right here. You got another USB drive right here, and then you have a memory card drive right here with some some little LEDs down here. All right, HP logo on the top. Let's open it up. We got this little felt joint right here. And then we have the keyboard. So this is your mouse pad right here. Silver keyboard. Speaker grills up here. See if y'all can see this screen. Alright, so here's the screen up here. 17.3 inch. HP branding right there. Back down to the keyboard. Alright, so you got pavilion right here, power button right here. This is the Bosch, and I forget what the name of it was for the speaker system, I think, audio system. Use your smartphone for reviews, videos, and features and specs and all that stuff. If you scan that, it's pretty big, man. I'm liking it. See if we got any juice. I think we do. I'm hearing some noises. I'm not seeing anything yet on the screen. There we go. So we got HP right there. And this is gonna be my this is gonna be the one I do all my editing on. So I'm gonna do all my new videos and everything on here. I do all my editing and stuff through here. So like I said, 1 terabyte hard drive storage, 8 gigabyte DDR4 system memory, 1080p full HD display, AMD quad-core A10 processor. Say bold design, you know what I mean? So it's pretty sleek, nice looking, man. It's a nice looking laptop. But I said it's running Windows 10, which I'm not really big on Windows 10. I'm not a fan of it, but I got it on the desktop, and my wife has it on her laptop also. I see airplane mode. I think we got airplane mode on the keyboard. But it's DOAKABONDS Urban Tech Reviews. If you like this video, click that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel,
I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
What's up, Cortana? If you're not subscribed to the channel,
here,
you can
touch
do
a
that
Wi-Fi there,
by clicking
and we'll have your PC
the,
ready for all you plan to do.
If you're not subscribed to the channel,
You can use
do
your
that
voice or
easily
the
by
keyboard
clicking
along the
on
way.
the
And
little
if you'd like me
Android
to stay
guy on the
quiet,
bottom
just
right-hand
select
corner
the
of the
sound
screen.
icon.
If you're not following me on
If you
all
need an
my social
assistive
media
screen
sites,
reader,
all
press
you got
the Windows,
to do, click the
Control, and
description,
enter keys at the
go
same
into the
time to
description,
enable
click on every
narrator.
one of those links, and follow me on every one of my
enough
social
intro.
media sites.
Let's dig in.
But we out.